Want to excel in your studies and become a great doctor? Here are some comprehensive tips to help you on your journey. 1. Create a study schedule, plan your study sessions, and stick to them. Consistency is key. Break down your subjects into manageable chunks and allocate specific times for each. Use digital tools or planners to keep track of your progress. A well-structured schedule helps you cover all topics systematically and avoids last-minute cramming. Make sure to include time for review sessions and practice tests. This will help reinforce what you've learned and identify areas that need more attention. 2. Use active learning techniques, flashcards, quizzes, and teaching others can help reinforce your knowledge. Use a whiteboard to visualize complex concepts and draw diagrams. Active learning engages your brain more effectively than passive reading. For example, creating mind maps can help you see connections between different topics, making it easier to recall information during exams. Additionally, teaching a concept to someone else forces you to understand it thoroughly, which can significantly enhance your retention. 3. Take regular breaks. Short breaks can boost your focus and productivity. Follow the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. Stay hydrated and stretch during breaks. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh. During breaks, try doing light exercises or stepping outside for some fresh air to rejuvenate your mind. It's also beneficial to engage in activities that relax you, such as listening to music or practicing deep breathing exercises. 4. Join study groups. Collaborating with peers can provide new insights and keep you motivated. Discussing topics with others can deepen your understanding and reveal different perspectives. Make sure your study group stays focused and on topic. Study groups can also be a great way to test each other with practice questions and explain difficult concepts to one another. Sharing resources and study materials can also be very helpful, as different people might have access to different information. 5. Practice self-care. A healthy mind and body are crucial. Get enough sleep, eat well, and manage stress. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your routine to stay calm and focused. Regular exercise can also boost your mood and energy levels. Consider activities like yoga or deep breathing exercises to help manage stress and improve concentration. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health. 6. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Having clear objectives will keep you motivated and on track. Celebrate small achievements along the way. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. For instance, if your goal is to master a particular subject, set weekly targets to cover specific chapters or topics. Regularly review your goals and adjust them as needed to stay on track. 7. Utilize online resources. Take advantage of online lectures, tutorials, and educational platforms. Supplement your textbooks with videos and articles to enhance your understanding. Platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, and YouTube offer valuable resources. Online forums and study groups can also provide support and answer questions you might have. Additionally, many universities offer free online courses that can provide in-depth knowledge on specific topics. 8. Gain practical experience, shadow doctors, volunteer at clinics, and participate in internships. Hands-on experience is invaluable in the medical field. It helps you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world situations and develop essential clinical skills. Observing professionals in action can also provide insights into patient care and medical procedures. Get involved in as many practical experiences as possible, as this will not only enhance your skills but also make you more confident. 9. Stay updated. Medicine is constantly evolving. Read medical journals, attend seminars, and stay informed about the latest research and advancements. Join professional organizations and subscribe to medical newsletters to keep up with new developments. Staying updated ensures that your knowledge remains current and relevant. Engaging with the latest research can also inspire you and provide new perspectives on your studies. 10. Stay passionate and curious. Medicine is a lifelong learning journey. Stay curious and passionate about your field. Your dedication will make you a compassionate and knowledgeable doctor. Never stop asking questions and seeking new knowledge. Engage in continuous learning through courses, workshops, and conferences. Passion and curiosity will drive you to explore new areas and stay motivated throughout your career. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to becoming an excellent doctor. Good luck!